What's up, my guys? What? Hello? Hello? Hello, friends of the internet. I have some lost footage that, well, I guess it's not lost anymore, but I thought it was. And this is from all the way last summer. From all the way last summer. All the way from last summer. Hello? Who's there? Anyways, I decided to put this footage together. I hope you guys enjoy this content. It is some footage that I just put together from our trip post Shambhala. We road tripped all the way to Tofino from Shambhala in Salmo River, BC, all the way to Tofino. You guys, it's a 14-hour drive. Yes, 14 hours. Your girl didn't drive at all. I slept the whole time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. And yeah, I have a lot of stuff that just sits on my computer and then reappears many moons later. So hope you enjoy. Bye. Good morning, y'all. Somewhere in the woods in British Columbia. Doggy. Oh. Look at those threads of freaking gold, my dude.
Whoa.